friends, welcome to Vankaliki channel. Today we make egg fried rice. I'm so excited to make it. Let's make it. Now I wash rice 3 times and I prepare rice now. Okay, let's take this pot. Put it on the stove. On it. Now put some rice. Now we put some water. Now put it in a pot. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay guys, now while the rice is cooking, now let's cut some spring onions. Let's cut it. Be careful with the knife. Looks so delicious. Okay guys, I cut the spring onion. Now cut some onion. Let's take out the peel. Oh, I peeled the top. I just need to peel here. So purple inside. I wash the onion, friends. Okay, now the onion is washed. Let's cut it. Oh, it's cut. Now I'll cut it. Oh, the onions are cut. Now we just place it here. Okay guys, look at this rice. It's boiling so well. It's so cool and hot. Now let's mix it, friends. It's so cool and hot. Look at the rice. Now the rice is finished. Guys, look at the rice. Okay, let's put the pot down. Okay guys, let's take a pan. Put it on the stove. Let's put some oil. Guys, let's break mini eggs. Okay guys, now we break egg. Now we mix the egg. The egg, friends. Let's beat it. Now I done beating. Now let's put some egg in the fry pan. Look guys, the egg is cooking. Now let's turn it. Let's cut it. add some chili powder. This much. Now add some salt. Friends, now add garam masala. Now mix it. Now add them. Let's add them. Let's mix it. Mix it well. Now put some rice. We add some rice. Now let's mix it. Let's mix it slowly. What's that yummy tasty smell? It's egg fried rice my brother come eat. So tastes so yummy. Yeah, you come eat again. Okay, how about some for me? Be careful, it's hot. Okay. Taste it. Oh, okay. It tastes like. It tastes yummy. It tastes so yummy. So super. Please like, subscribe and comment. Support to Vanikaliki channel. Bye bye.